You start talking, please. What kind of train is this, Atta?
It's a blue and it's a locomotive.
Yeah? And then where do you think the train is going? Are they going to port?
I don't know really.
You're not sure? Okay. Do you think how long is the train? How long is the train?
I don't
You're not sure? Okay. You can say hi. Hi. Wiping your hand. Wiping your hand. Ooh. Wow. Count it. How many cargo? Start counting. Start counting, please. I think this is longer than the other one. Yeah? Ooh. Ooh. Oh, look at that, Tata. It's a long one. Wow. This is twice longer than the other one. What do you think they have inside? We couldn't see it, do we? Ooh. Oh, it's nearly the end. Do you think this one has two heads or one head? One head? The other one got two heads. Woohoo! Finally, Arthur saw his cargo train close by. Ooh. Are you happy? Are you happy seeing this train, Atta? You very happy? Yeah? Oh no! The tail's gonna finish soon, Atta. Oh no! Say bye to your train. Goodbye, train. Safe trip. See you again. Alright, say bye to this video, Atta. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye.